So now the rumor is the PS6 might not come out till 2029. Yeah, that is interesting. So, to be honest, I don't really think it's a big deal. I think a lot of people right now are perfectly okay with the PS5. And most games that come out right now, if not all games, can run perfectly fine on the PS5. There's really no situation where you're playing a PS5 and you're like, wow, this is just cannot run any new games that come out. And then you got the PS5 Pro that can even run the games even better. So there really isn't a scenario right now where PS6, I feel like, is necessary at this moment in time. Now, there was no scenario where PS6 would ever come out before GTA 6, by the way, anyway. And we already know by GTA 6 track record, that probably gets delayed another set amount of months or years. So I think there will be some situation where Sony wants to go ahead and release the PS6 at least a year after GTA 6 comes out. GTA 6 comes out, right? Wait a year, right? Maybe at this point now it's going to be like 2 or 3 years. And then release the PS6 with an enhanced edition of GTA 6. So this is going to be like the Mac Daddy edition of GTA 6. And you release that after a couple years of GTA 5 on the PS5. So I think that's what they're going to do. That would be my assumption, is to really kind of be like, hey, this is how good GTA 6 is, right? Everyone's excited about it. Everyone's going crazy about it. And then you kind of delay that even more. So now you like, oh, hey, imagine GTA 6, but even better, right? We do know that GTA 6 will not come to PC for a year after it releases. So whenever that releases, it's going to be a whole year later that we're going to get GTA 6 on PC. So again, we'll see. Anyway, according to previous leak, the PS6 would be released in 2027. Tech Insider's based on this, many speculated the PS6 would launch would launch either later that year or early in 2028. Right now, it is rumored that it would be late 2028 or even 2029, which this thing's going to cost an arm and a leg, okay? Let's be honest. The PS6 is going to cost so much freaking money. I don't think anyone right now is sitting here saying, yeah, push it out faster. The new Xbox is coming out next year is rumored to be in the price tag range of $1,100 to $1,200. The Steam machine, hopefully, is $600-$700. That could be $1,000. A PS6 right now, especially with the RAM shortage and all the other component shortage, we're talking about stupid money. Less what 2029 hit, right? AI bubble has exploded. Nobody cares about AI as much. It's not that crazy insane. It's not that stupid. And then release the PS6, where prices come back down to earth. Tariffs are going, no more tariffs. The state of the world is a little bit different. That's when you release the PS6. When people have money. Sorry, speaking from, experience here. But yeah, so that's when I release the PS6. So that's when I think they're going to release it, is at that time. Like when everything is kind of calmed down a little bit. And also, they sold the PS5 very well during Black Friday and Christmas this year. And they're selling crazy good. So it's also like that situation. Like, does Sony really feel like they need to put out a new console? No, they really don't. Whatever Xbox comes out with, and again, next year, the PS5 Pro is probably going to be better than it. It's probably going to be better than whatever, they come out with it from Microsoft. And Sony knows that. So Sony does not care. So tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one.